Ok, on continue. On va discuter les adjectifs possessifs et les pronoms possessifs en français. Vous voyez, nous avons les adjectifs possessifs, mon, ton, son, notre, votre, les. Nous avons masculin et féminin. Et féminin, nous avons quoi? Ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, les. And then the plural form of masculine or feminine, on peut dire me, te, se, no, vo, les. So we have possessive adjectives, or like when we talk about possessive adjectives or possessive determinants, you want to express that you have something or you possess something, something belongs to you. You need to make good use of possessive adjectives or possessive determinants in the language. Just as there is the question that we just asked, quel est le nom de ton université? What is the name of your university? Then you need to say, le nom de mon université, c'est Ghana Communication Technology University. The name of my university is the name of mine. Because if you don't know how to say my university, then you will not be able to answer this particular question. Donc, quel est le nom de ton université? Ou bien, quel est le nom de votre université? Et il faut dire, le nom de mon université, c'est Ghana Communication Technology University. Qui est le président de votre université? Ou bien, qui est le président de votre école? Et vous dites, le président de mon école s'appelle, ou bien le nom du président de mon université, c'est Monsieur le professeur Obrimpon Emmanuel Ohene Afua. Vous voyez ça? You need to know this. So we have, and then about the possessive, mon, ton, son, notre, votre, les. If you are possessing what belongs to you, starts with a vowel, you have to use mon, and it's masculine, either masculine or feminine. And it begins with a vowel, you need to use mon. But if what you possess, for instance, I want to say my sister, my sœur does not start with a vowel. Then you have to say ma sœur. But uncle, mon oncle, you don't say it starts with a vowel, so you're going to say ma. No, you say mon oncle, my farm, my wife, my woman. Then you do ma, you use ma. So that is for feminine gender. And then mon, ton, son, notre, votre. Here can be masculine, it can be feminine. When it's feminine now and starting with a vowel, you need to use mon, ton, son, any of them. It starts with a vowel. For instance, son ami can be his friend or her friend, his or her male friend or his feminine friend or female friend. So you see more example and then you get to understand that. And so any of them here, mon, ma, me. What does it mean? It means what? Mine. M-Y, mine, mine. Ton, ta, te means in English, your. Son, sa, se, it means his or her. His or her. Not hers. His or her. Not. Not, no, means what? What does it mean? Not true means what? Cela veut dire quoi? Notre.
Your.
No, notre is not your. Ton is your. Votre is also your. Mais notre means not.
Our.
Our, not ours. It's our, not ours. Take note. Ours becomes possessive word. How do you tell possess ours in the language, either in French or English? Ours is possessive word.
Adjective.
Possessive word?
Pronoun.
No.
Pronoun.
Possessive pronoun. That's possessive pronoun. So you see More example. Donc, mon ami, so as I was trying to say, mon ami here, my male friend, you say mon. Mon ami, my female friend, you still say mon. Ton ami, my male friend. Ton ami, my female friend, you still use ton. Okay, son ami, his female friend or her female friend. The son can mean his or her. Son can mean his or her. Notre, our friend, our male friend. Notre ami, here it means our female friend. And then, leur ami means what? Leur ami means what?
They are male friend.
They are
Male
leur ami, they are male friend. And then leur ami, the last one, that is your female friend. So, all that. C'est très nécessaire. Donc, ma sœur, ta sœur, sa sœur, notre sœur, votre sœur, leur sœur. So any of them, you see that ma sœur means my sister, ta sœur, your sister, sa sœur means her sister or his sister, sa sœur, his sister or her sister, his sister or her sister, sa sœur, notre sœur, our sister, votre sœur, your sister, leur sœur, their sister. So you need to understand all that. If you don't understand, you can't write any meaningful essay in the language. When you want to refer to possession, what you possess or what you have or what one possesses. Donc, il faut comprendre ça bien. Donc, then the plural says, mes amis, tes amis, ses amis, nos amis, vos amis, les amis. You need to understand all that. Très bien. And see the suite. So now, let's move on to les pronoms possessive so that you'll be able to know the difference. What we just discussed is possessive adjectives or possessive determinants. Now let's discuss possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Par exemple, voici mon stylo, mais où est le tien? Voici ma sœur, mais où est la sienne? Voici ma table. Voici ma table. Mais où est la tienne? Mais où est la sienne? Mais où est la vôtre? Mais où est la nôtre? Et ou bien, mais où est la leur? So, you need to understand it. What I'm trying to say is that, just like in English, usually when you talk about possessive pronouns, the word pronoun in Latin means instead of. Instead of pro in Latin means instead of pro in Latin means instead of. Instead of a noun, that is pronoun. So whatever you use instead of a noun is termed as what? A pronoun. Etymologically, the word pronoun is derived from Latin. And in Latin, the word pro means instead of. So instead of a noun, whatever you use instead of a noun is termed as what? A pronoun, ou bien le pronom. Le pronom en français ou en anglais. So if one says, this is my pen, but where is yours? It can be where is yours, where is his, where is hers, where is theirs, where is ours, and what have you. So his, ours, theirs, yours, these are all pronouns because you are not mentioning even the noun. Instead of saying, this is my pen, but where is your pen? You say, this is my pen, but where is yours? Voici mon stylo, mais où est le tien? Voici ma montre, mais où est la tienne? Voici la table, voici ta table. This is your table, voici ta table. Mais où est la mienne? Mais où est la sienne? Mais où est la leur? Et ainsi de suite. You have to understand that. And we are talking about not the person who is possessing, but the object that you possess, is it masculine or feminine? You need to understand that. The object that belongs to you or that belongs to someone, is it masculine or feminine? If it's masculine, then you choose the masculine possessive pronoun. If it's feminine, then you choose the feminine possessive pronoun. So all that you have here, these are all masculine singular nouns or depicting masculine singular noun, possession. Le mien, le tien, le sien, le nôtre, le vôtre, le leur. And then feminine singular, la mienne, la tienne, la sienne, la nôtre, la vôtre, la leur. And then masculine plural form, les miens, les tiens, les siens, les nôtres, les vôtres, les leurs. And then the feminine plural form, les miens, les tiens, les siens, les nôtres, les vôtres, et les vôtres, et les leurs. So here it means mine, yours, his, or hers, or its, ours, yours, and then theirs. C'est bien compris? Mon exemple c'est, voici mon stylo. What I was trying to explain to you briefly. Voici mon stylo, mais où est le tien, le sien, le nôtre, le vôtre, le leur? Any of them is correct. For instance, if you just write, comment dire, this is my pen, but where is ... It can be where is yours, his, hers, ours, yours, and theirs. Voici mes stylos. These are my pens. It can equally be mais où sont le leurs, les tiens, les siens, etc., etc. Voici ma clé. This is my key. Mais où est la tienne? Because la clé is feminine. So you choose the feminine possession. Mais où est la tienne, la sienne, la nôtre, la vôtre, la leur? And then the plural form of key, keys. Voici mes clés. Voici mes clés. So you choose the possession that is the depicting plural form. Voici mes clés. Mais où sont les tiennes, les siennes, les nôtres, les vôtres, les leurs? So let me translate that briefly for you to see if you can get an understanding of all that you are saying. Voici mon stylo. This is my pen, but where is yours, his or hers, ours, yours? Again, that is you can see the vôtre and then le tien, the same, and then le leur. It makes sense. Any of them you choose, you are correct. You can't be wrong. And then this voici mes stylos. These are my pens. These are my pens. Or here are my pens. Then you can be, but where are, it can be where are theirs, where are yours, les leurs, theirs, les tiens, yours, les siens, his or hers. That is what you mean here. So the first part is possessive adjectives, and then the second part is possessive pronoun. We are doing this simultaneously, concurrently. Two topics at the same time. If you don't know possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives, you can't construct any sentence like this. That where is my pen? But where is yours? Where is hers? Where is theirs? Where is ours? Not where is my pen, but where is your pen? It seems childish. This is as for you to say, this is my pen, but where is your pen? This is my book, but where is their book? But where is theirs? Where is theirs? So try to understand all this so that we can use them accordingly. C'est ça. Bien. So complete your first sentence with the appropriate possessive pronoun. Complétez chacune des phrases suivantes avec le pronom possessif approprié. So here you are just to use possessive pronoun. Le mien, la mienne, le tien, la tienne, and what have you. So depending on the question. Voici tes romans, mais où sont? Then you're right. Voici mes tables, mais où sont? Voici sa clé, mais où est? Voici ton livre, mais où est? You can provide 3 or 4 or more answers. Each of them you can have more than 1 or 2 answers. Do you get the point? Voici ton livre, mais où est? Voici les lunettes, mais où sont? Ainsi de suite. C'est ça. Si vous avez des questions, vous avez des problèmes, il faut poser. Je suis là. Je suis là à répondre à toutes les questions. Si vous avez des questions, je suis là. Avez-vous des questions? Avez-vous des commentaires? Il faut me demander. Si vous avez des questions, vous avez des problèmes. Classe, avez-vous des questions?
Non.
Non, monsieur.
Avez-vous des questions? Avez-vous des problèmes?
Oui, monsieur.
Oui. Qui dit oui? Si vous avez des questions, je vous écoute. Alors, if you have a question, I'm listening to you. Yes, can I hear you? Did somebody say oui ou non? Pas de questions? Pas de questions? Pas de problème?
Non, monsieur.
Non, monsieur. Non, monsieur.